What's up everyone, welcome to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can clean any cloth mouse pad. Let's get into it. Okay, as you can see, mine is actually very dirty. I'm pretty sure I scratch it, and if there's like marks left on the pad after you've scratched it, that means it is very dirty and it definitely needs to be clean. So this method I'll be showing you will be done with washing powder, which you can get at any grocery store. You also need like a sponge of some kind to scrub the dirt off the mouse mat. So you can't put it in the washing machine because it would ruin the bottom side of the mouse mat and it would be no longer sticky, and it may even rip a hole in it. So instead we're going to fill up the sink, make sure it's lukewarm to hot, and then you just want to put the mouse mat in there. Tip a little bit of washing powder over the top of it. Make sure you spread it evenly. After that, you just want to massage the powder into the mouse mat. You don't need to be rough with it, you can be gentle, just rough enough to get off all the stubborn dirt. After that, you want to leave it to soak for 5 to 15 minutes depending on how dirty it is, and then when you come back, give it another little scrub just to get all the loose dirt off. And remember, you're only scrubbing the top side, you are not scrubbing the bottom side, because that will ruin the stickiness of the bottom and that will defeat the purpose of the object. So once you're done, you just want to grab a towel and just lay it on the bench. You also want to grab a tea towel to pat the mat dry. You don't have to use a tea towel, you can just use any towel that's small enough for you to pat dry the mat. Make sure you pat dry the bottom and the top of the mat, and then leave it out to dry, not in direct sunlight. Make sure the sunlight is filtered, but still in a bright and dry place, and it should dry pretty quickly. As you can see, mine was very dirty. I did miss a couple spots. I will be doing this a second time off camera because surprisingly it is the first time I've cleaned it in 3 years, so it's not too bad. This worked very well and I hope it did the same for you. Anyway, if it did, please hit that like button, and if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button as well. Leave in the comments any other tutorial videos you would like to see on the channel, and that is it from me. Peace out.